we are in Northfleet, in some tunnels. We've been here before, but a different area. So it'll be interesting to see what it's like. Hope you enjoy it.
But obviously we was doing dumpster diving, and we thought before we do that, we'll come and look at this tunnel.
Oh wow! That door.
So you might just say, might be just under the tunnels. I'm getting tangled.
You're alright.
Yeah. Well, let me turn you around and show you guys. So look at this door. Like, this is...
It's solid. Solid door.
So, that's what some people have seen this place before.
Oh my God. Blinding myself here.
If people have seen... Oh God.
We noticed there was a few entrances, but have a little bit of light. Not much, just a teeny bit. We noticed there was a few other entrances, but they were all blocked off. Oh, take that off. But really creepy. But it's dark. It's very dark. We'll turn that off.
It is, isn't it?
Yeah.
No, yeah. So this is
Definitely military.
Underground. I would say underground bunkers and like
the numbers. Missed that one.
R&S. First aid room.
The world outside has changed forever.
Have you noticed?
Welcome to your future
Maria.
hell. Okay,
Look up
thanks.
top, because it's so damp, you hardly have spiders, but then you look down there.
Cobwebs.
Yeah, but look at all the bats and the spiders.
Yeah.
I'm putting my hood up just in case.
This is massive.
Yeah, so
this is.
Was in the wall.
Yeah, be careful, Kirst.
Yeah.
Bloody hell.
That's an 18 you just stood on.
All the nails.
That's well and truly. It's even left an imprint, where you can see an imprint there where the nail was.
Like I said today, if you look up, there's no spiders. But you look down one of them entrances, it's full of spiders. And I think it's because it's burnt.
It's dark. Big long ass tunnel. No, but I heard something.
Where do we fucking go?
Right, that's this tunnel 3, look. Section R, tunnel 3, look.
If you hear anything, or if you see anything, especially if you hear anything, I think I heard something there. It was like a, I don't know, like a scream or something, but, oh shit, oh God. So if you see or hear anything that we don't, oh man, I'm getting blinded. Just let us know in the comments.
Oh wow! Come and look at this!
If you do anything or see anything that we don't hear.
Oh blimey, look at this.
Yeah, this is what you see before. Because if you remember, you can walk round. Oh yeah, look.
We do with some roofing sheets.
Yeah, but see them? If you ever look at them properly, they're actually tunnel sheets. Because they're bent.
Yeah.
They're tunnel sheets. They're bent.
That's crazy.
Well, this is the first time I've been in here, so...
I thought that's me you hadn't been in.
God, you can smell the,
Diesel.
yeah, you can smell the diesel. I was trying to figure out what that was.
The last time we tried to come in here...
No, you don't try and walk around. You can walk back round.
Yeah, come on, we'll walk back round.
Yeah, I'm just looking.
Yeah, you're going to see that from the outside.
Maybe, but... That's John farting. Sorry about that.
Don't tell me someone's went up there and had a poo.
What?
Look. No, it's not. It's sausages. Mouldy sausages.
Mouldy sausages,
No,
nice.
Look at the old nails. Old nails. And
This is just... Oh, bloody hell, I keep blinding myself. I don't really need the light on, but I need somewhere to see where I'm going. There was talking. If you hear anything, any talking, let me know.
You stop kicking shit.
If it ain't curse, it's normally me. I'm always kicking something or tripping up something or end up on my
The
arse.
number 112233 goes all the way up to 12. There must have been like a ceiling or something. If you guys know what that would have been up there, well then let us know down below.
it's some there as well. On that side.
Yeah, look, you can see that side thing. We do know what it is, let us know.
God, my battery's already showing it's going low.
Part of
Ah, look, there we go.
machinery.
I can definitely smell the diesel, can't you?
Big curse over here.
Oh shit, another hole.
That goes into the other side of it, which we walked through. The first time we come. First time we
It just
come
goes
over, we
on.
go that way.
It goes on and on. Do you know what? I
It's
know.
like a fucking spider.
Well,
No, no.
No, it's
right,
not.
come on.
No,
let's go
it's-
down.
It's one of these.
Oh.
It's one of these.
So I saw that and I was like, nah, that can't be a spider.
I thought that was a spine.
Look how far these tunnels go, look.
Yeah, sorry.
Wow. Yeah, we'll probably go through that soon. Wow. It's enough echo in here, doesn't it? I swear to God, I'm hearing screams. Why am I the only one hearing it?
Yeah, women.
I swear to God, I'm hearing screams right in the distance. Yeah. If you are hearing this on the camera, I really do hope you are hearing what I'm hearing. Then rewind it back and listen a few times, because I'm almost certain I heard it right in the distance. Normally, I'm the last to hear anything. Jesus, it just goes on.
What is that from?
I did one of that.
You're hearing rumbles and I'm hearing distant screams. I heard a distant scream. I swear to God I did.
I'm hoping you guys can hear this.
Yeah, I'm really hoping that they can hear. Because that is just crazy. Where are we going?
I'm trying to make sure it's hard, because it's just...
Oh, do you know what? I give up.
That's another section.
It just goes on, doesn't it?
Well, you've been in here before. I haven't. So this is like...
But that's not the entrance we come in before, though. We come in a different entrance.
Yeah, probably through that gap.
Hearing things again. I don't know what they're hearing, but I can't hear anything at the moment. I don't know, I'll have to remember to keep my camera at arm's length. Because otherwise you'll end up having a close-up like that of me. Okay, enough of me.
If we hit Mum, if we hear stuff, you need to stay with us.
All right. Oh God, the camera. Tunnel 3. Section M. Don't know what that means. Centre seat. Hearing things again.
It could be just like the ships. Last time we come in, we had to crawl under a hole. And that's where we got through in the other side.
There's movement. I heard it. It was. Oh no, not quite like that. But there was movement. There was movement. I hope it was picked up. Do you know, I've really got an uneasy feeling.
I think the last time we were in these tunnels was when we was part of SESS actually, wasn't it? Years ago.
Yeah.
And SESS ended, I believe, in 2008.
Maybe, I'm not too
SESS
sure.
ended. So that just goes to show how long ago it actually was since we've been back in these tunnels.
What?
That's fine, sounds funny.
Monsters beyond here.
If it's easy to get through, then yeah, we'll...
Creepy man!
Creepy man, and it does, as Dad's just put it out, that it's saying. I heard them.
That was just. What the fuck was that?
Did you touch my bag? Did you touch my bag? No. Our bags must have touched.
Didn't look like you was that close enough.
Come on then. Is it
Right.
easy to get in and out?
So we are down over on. You can't see
Is it
that
recording?
side now.
Yeah.
So,
Alright, let's get you coming.
oh, I just think
What?
What?
Fuck off, did you see
I
eyes?
think I was down the end of the tunnel.
No, shut up.
But they were white eyes.
Oh, man.
I'm trying to do...
What the fuck? You're going fucking last.
I mean, oops, sorry.
Ah, you swore at me, bitch. I don't want to look down there.
See, she will try.
John?
But anyway, I'm going to stop you for 2 seconds just while we go over this bit.
Yeah, do what I did. No, you should have just done it on your knees.
No, just get out, get out.
Have you got your knife? How do I get in? How did you get in?
Just get in.
Put your knees. Right, don't think about it. Just get knee up. Yeah, other knee. Right, then stand up. Now sit your bum down. Right. There you go. Right.
Knees. That hurt. Hurry up before those white eyes get you.
You definitely heard something down here.
Hurry up before the white eyes get you. She see white eyes. I didn't. But there was just a lot of noise. Is it dead end?
Yeah.
There was something up here.
So, I've restarted doing
This is now all the other entrances up near the houses.
yeah.
Listen, listen, listen. Shh, 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 shh. What is that?
So we're now in term 5, which links to sections F, G, H, J and K, which is literally written there. So this should be,
That's me head on the wall.
there should be
There's too many noises in here.
these
I think.
leading to sections.
Don't just stand still.
John.
Hello?
Torches behind you. Put your torches behind you.
My fucking torch has gone off. I might be behind. I don't want to be behind. Yeah, fuck that.
That, me, Mum, Dad, Georgia, brother's girlfriend, and 2 other paranormal investigators. We come in this tunnel, and the reason I remember that is because of the way that is.
Excuse me.
And this is where me and Georgia, well, we was all sat on our chairs in a round circle, and you'll remember this because you was with us. And we had all torches off, so you can imagine pitch black, absolutely pitch black. And I was sat here, Dad was sat over there, Georgia was sat on the side of me. Pitch black, and all of a sudden we see a massive white light flash behind Dad. No explanation, all torches are off.
I remember.
Obviously, me being me, turned my torch on, shot it straight behind Dad because I was like, what the hell? It could have been someone with a torch on and off, but there was no one. Georgia see it, which correlated what I was seeing. So,
I actually do remember.
but this is the tunnel that it happened. I kind of remember where it was, but I don't at the same time. So, Dad's looking rather scary at the moment. I can't really show you. I don't want his face on camera.
dick. Oh, shit.
Right at the other end of the tunnel now.
Oh, I can't undo my zip.
Walk this way.
Oh, man, that's loud. I'm going to put on in my pocket.
If you have a look, this is the other end of the block tunnel.
Now, obviously not going to get no signal in here. Effect. Okay.
We've got effect.
Oh, hang on. Let me turn my light off because you might be able to see. Got the necrophonic. Probably help if I turned it up. Where's my volume? Hang on, turn my light on.
Right, listen. It's so quiet here. You know what he's just said? It's so quiet. Little. But you've got to think of as well.
Let's turn it off and put... No, not the LSS.
Oh, think of it, yeah.
I think it's Ghost Tube.
It could be that army people, whoever is here, it passed away, and we're hearing noises.
I've got Ghost Tube on.
We're hearing noises.
See if
but
anything
it's
comes through on that.
Right.
Paranormal.
Residual energy, exactly the way that an old tape and an old videotape would record. There's things in the wall that contain memories exactly like that.
Yeah.
If you could run that machine over the walls, you could even get pictures.
Yeah. Yeah. 'Cause we're hearing things, and we can't explain.
Well, I frigging heard scream earlier.
So
I'm almost certain.
definitely know it's
Hey?
Ghost hunt at last time. So down there, the tunnel is blocked off down there
Oh,
into a wall.
I like the lights.
Is that what you just said? I like the lights.
I like the lights.
Oh yeah.
So yeah, you've got all the.
Well, it might be that we're communicating. Well, person's communicating with somebody. So this.
Do you like the lights?
I suppose it's probably going to be following us.
Would you like the spirit box?
It's just...
What?
You are annoying.
Who's annoying?
Probably Maria.
I've hardly said anything. I am straight up.
Who's annoying?
Look at the old candle.
Are you annoyed because we're down here?
There's 4.
There's four.
Shut up. There's 4
There's
of us.
4 of us.
So the spirit talk, the ghost tube on Mum's phone has just come up saying there's 4, and there is 4 of us. The fact that come out saying 4, and there is 4 of us.
It's a lot of outside noise.
Is there? So that's saying there's a lot of outside noise.
Do you like us being here?
Which would explain, well, we're probably hearing quite a bit because...
It's
Then how do you explain?
It just went, get out!
Run. And it just said run on mine.
It said, get out.
And then run. What?
Well, it turns out like we're having a little ghost hunt with you guys now.
Sister.
Sister. Yes, we have sisters. Oh my days, my light's so bright. Hang on. Turn it on, but turn it down. Jesus Christ. Yeah, it come up. Kirstine said, what did it say, Kirst?
Get out. I'm not sure. So get out.
And then mine said run.
Right, shall we get through the tunnel then?
Yeah, because we could just.
Oh my days. It's a really horrible feeling in here. It's just, I don't know, it's just weird.
It just went run.
And I had run on mine. My hands are shaking. My hands are shaking, sorry. Shut up. Heard whistling. And we're deep right in the tunnels, so that you shouldn't really hear anything outside. I've got tunned on. Yeah. Yes, I know my battery's low. Right. Just going to get out of these bits. I'm going to turn the camera off for now and then I'll turn it back on in a minute. I'll find the button that is.